Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make an Instacart account in Canada. First, open your browser and go to instacart.ca. This is the official website for Canada. If you want to order groceries as a customer, click Sign Up at the top right, then enter your name, email, and password to create your account. If you want to earn money as a shopper, scroll down to the bottom of the site and click Become a Shopper. You'll be taken to shopper.instacart.ca, enter your postal code, and fill out your personal information like name, email, and phone number. Make sure you meet the requirements. You must be 18 or older, eligible to work in Canada, and have a smartphone, vehicle, and bank account. After signing up, download the Instacart Shopper app from the App Store or Google Play to complete your setup. And that's it. You're now ready to start shopping or ordering with Instacart in Canada. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.